In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate commerce with Zoho Inventory. By the end, you'll have your Zoho Commerce storefront connected to your inventory, so products and stock levels are aligned behind the scenes. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. From the search results, head to the official Zoho site. Sign in with your existing account so you can access your apps under one dashboard. Once you're in, look for the app launcher and select Inventory from the list. This is where your items, stock, and sales channels are managed. Inside Zoho Inventory, go to Settings. From there, open Integrations, then choose Zoho Apps. This section shows all the native apps that can connect directly to your inventory data. Find Zoho Commerce in the list. This is the storefront platform that will display your products to customers and keep availability synced from inventory. Click Access Now, then choose Access Zoho Commerce. You'll be redirected to Zoho Commerce to complete the setup of your online store. Early in the process, you'll see the robots.txt option. This file tells search engines which pages they can or can't crawl. If you're launching a brand new site and want privacy while you build, you can temporarily block certain areas. If you're preparing to go live and want visibility, allow key pages like products and categories. Avoid blocking essentials such as your product pages, while it's common to disallow admin or checkout paths. You can always revisit robots.txt later if you change your SEO strategy. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to create your storefront. Pick a template that fits your brand, then customize the design with your logo, colors, and images. Use the preview to check spacing, readability, and how things look on mobile. Keep your layout clean and focused on helping shoppers find products quickly. You don't have to perfect everything right now. Your goal is to get the integration working and a basic storefront online. After the integration is in place, remember one important step. Items in Zoho Inventory do not appear on your storefront automatically. You must manually mark the products you want to sell online. That typically involves opening an item in inventory and enabling its online visibility or publish option so it can sync to Zoho Commerce. Only the items you select will show up in your store, which gives you control over what goes live. That's it. With inventory connected to Zoho Commerce and your products published, you'll have a streamlined setup where stock levels stay accurate and your storefront looks exactly how you want.